I'm going to show the operation of having two of these Westinghouses with the parallel cable. Now, of course, these are very dangerous, so make sure it's all plugged in before you start the generators. But anyways, you just plug them both in. This basically combines both generators together. Turn both the switches on so both the power comes to the outlet, and then you just start the generators. Efficiency off. They're pretty quiet, but I'm still pretty close to them. So, but anyways, with that you get a 30 amp RV plug, and if you even need to step it up one more, you can do a 30 to 50 wishbone or dog bone, 30 to 50 dog bone. So this will power. Now, of course, this is only 5,000 watts, so it may not power everything in a 50 amp motorhome, but it'll power at least one air conditioner and a microwave. So, but there you go.